Upon starting the MB11 application, the software will require you to choose a patient for measurement. This can be done by either entering patient information, selecting a patient from the database, or selecting a patient from a day list. For entering patient information, simply fill out the patient information you need to enter. Which patient fields are displayed is configurable. For selecting an existing patient, you can filter the database, for example for patients that were born in the last 7 days. You can also add patients to your day list here. If you want to select a specific patient, just click on the patient and confirm your choice with Continue. In the Day List tab, you can select patients that were assigned to your day list. After having selected a patient for measurement, you will be directed to the preparation screen. Here you get guidance on what needs to be done for the measurement to be properly prepared. If you are ready to go, select the ear site you want to measure and press Start. Prior to the actual screening measurement, the skin impedance will be checked. The impedance criterion must be met to be able to perform a screening measurement. Once the criterion is met, the measurement will start automatically. On the measurement screen, you can review the progress of the measurement. Additionally, you will get notified in the noise monitor if the EEG signal is very noisy. If one or more electrodes do not have contact with the skin anymore, you will also get notified. After the measurement has ended, you will get a summary on the result screen. You can enter additional measurement notes here, print the result, export to PDF, or just progress to either screening a new patient or rescreening the same patient again. In case you are using a MB11 bearer phone, there is a shortcut for testing the other ear. This will lead you back to the instruction screen, with the other ear being pre-selected and ready to go.